Type plates are still used for many products. Produced without consumables and without contact or wear, laser marking of these plastic or metal plates has long proven to be the ideal technology. With the SpeedMark software on our Galvo workstations, dynamic data, different marking content and data imports can be easily processed and imported, and easily automated with sequence programs. This minimizes error rates, reduces labor, and therefore costs. To further speed up, automate, and simplify the process, we have developed a module that allows you to produce series of signs without having to load them individually or load a panel mold. This module is equipped with a magazine for up to 100 rating plates as standard and is easy to fill and empty. Once set up, the SpeedMarker plate feeder module is quickly installed. Simply plug it into the workbench in the setup position, plug in the cable for the signal line and power supply, and you're done. And best of all, its compact size means that it will fit into any of our SpeedMarker workstations.
For more information on integration, technical details, and more, visit our website or contact us.